Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text multiple lines in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then create your spreadsheet or open your default spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet. Then go to Insert menu. Then draw text box. Now write anything on this text box. I write text on this text box. Now make it bigger and make it bold. Then I make text multiple lines. Select this text at first, then go to shape format menu, then click text fill drop down menu. Then click text outline drop down menu and click dashes. Then click more lines. Then you can see here are a text outline, then click solid line, then you can choose your compound type multiple lines, then I choose this one, then choose a color, I choose green, then increase this white. You can see I make text multiple lines in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.